First time you felt baby girl number 2. How did you feel that morning?
I was crying. I took a moment for myself outside and went to cry.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday everyone. It is now 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. I'm working from home today. And ngayon ay, anak, alis anak. We are going out. Paris and I. Papa, come here. Come here. Say hi sa tita. The Paris and I are going to sip on baya. Where are we going?
Shopping.
Shopping? Are you sure? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang outfit, guys. Oh. Wow! Wow! Pupunta pala kami sa nail salon, guys, kasi ipapagawa natin yung kuko natin. Ayan, tingnan nyo. This one, nawala na. At yung apat, meron pa. Pero gagawin ko na siya ngayon kasi next Friday, so a week from now, lilipad na kami papuntang Brisbane, diba? So, wala na akong time kasi sa weekend busy kami. And then, next week, work tayo. So, wala na talaga akong time na magpagawa ng kuko. So, tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. At isasama ko ang ating baby girl. Ayan. So, good luck to me, guys. Sana magpakabait ko siya sa shop. Do you wanna paint your nails too?
I'm gonna cut my finger.
No, they're not cutting your finger. They will do mama's nails.
Only paint my finger.
Only paint?
And my hair is messy. It's the medium with my hair.
Yeah, now you look beautiful with your hair. I love it.
Yes.
I love your
I'm
hair.
Elsa.
You have Elsa hair. You'll be a good girl for mama, huh?
Purple.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yes. Nandito na kami, guys. Naghihintay lang kami sa tawag ni mami.
After you have a turn, I'm gonna have a turn.
Yeah, sit down here.
You got the turn, and I'm gonna have a turn.
Okay. Don't be naughty, okay? Be a good girl, please. Okay?
Mom, just you purple.
Careful.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So time check tayo. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon ni Baby Paris sa...
Hi, I'm here.
Yeah, where are we? Where?
Shopping center.
Shopping center? What are we gonna do here? Where's the go?
Buy food.
Buy food and... What are you gonna have for dinner?
Lollipop.
A lollipop? No, we're gonna go see. Come on, to go see if we can get food for dinner. No touching there, honey. No touching. Baba, give me a smile. Come on, this way, anak. You have to go eat. Do you wanna go run? Careful you don't slide. Ooh, you just did. Oh no, stand up. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Go, come on. What is that? Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 7:10 ng gabi. You say na 7:10 ng gabi. Nandito kami ngayon sa shopping center sa The Glen. Kasi kakain kami ni Paris ng dinner namin. And kaka-order lang namin. Pero hinihintay lang namin. Ayan, 10 minutes pa daw. So dito muna kami upo-upo. And then, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating kuko. I'll show Tita and Tito my nails now. So Paris chose pink for mommy. Here. Ayan. Here, no. Oh, diba? Super pink ng aking kuko. Yes. Touch it. Stand up. Careful na nakabalik. Stand up here. So makita ka ni Tita Tito B. Here. Do you like it?
Can I touch it?
What do you think about it? Pink? Do you like the pink nails from Mommy?
It's pink. Guess what?
Alam niyo guys, sobrang bait ni Baby Paris. Kasi hindi talaga siya nagpabadlong ba
Here,
kay
Mommy.
Mama.
I like the hair.
Thank you.
It's long.
Very long. I love your hair too. See, you've got Elsa hair.
Me too.
Yeah?
I love the hair too.
I'm sure Elsa hair too. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ang ating kuko.
It's
I super love it. Sobrang fresh na fresh lang ang kanyang kulay guys. So, diba? Dalagang dalaga lang kahit may dalawang bakti na. Si Daddy Mike pala natin guys wala dito kasi kanina nung umalis kami para magpakuko, nasa bahay siya. He was still working. And then sabi niya na baka mag-gym daw siya kasi dinala ko si Paris for the first time guys sa nail salon. First time ever. Sabi ni Paris. First time ever talaga na dinala ko si Paris sa nail salon and I was very worried kasi alam niyo baka mag-act up si Paris, baka umiyak or alam niyo yun. Pero she's been a really good girl. And then tinawagan namin si Daddy Mike after. Sinabi namin na pupunta kami doon sa shop and sabi niya, magpapahinga lang daw siya. So kami yung baby girl, bonding moment namin ito guys. No? Next year, 3 na kami. 3 girls na kami guys. Not next year actually, August. So August, baby sister will come out. Yeah? Yes? Are you excited to see your baby sister? You love your baby sister na? Alam nyo guys, it's really cool kasi ngayon, yung tummy natin, we are now 22 weeks pregnant. And nag-move na ang ating baby girl guys, number 2. And it's the first time talaga nag-move yung baby girl natin guys. First time na parang na feel ni Daddy Mike. It was very, very special kasi alam niyo, like it's been a while na for toy. We have to wait for our food first. It's coming now. Okay? It's coming now. So we'll have ice cream. Lollipop. Lollipop. Matagal na na-feel ko yung baby natin guys na parang just like swimming around mommy's tummy. Kaya lang, hindi pa na-feel ni Daddy Mike. And then last week, or maybe just over a week ago now, early in the morning, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike pagkagising namin, just put your hand on my tummy. And alam niyo guys, parang parang lumiwanag yung mukha ni Daddy Mike nung na-feel niya na nag-move yung ating baby girl number 2 guys. And parang na-emotional kaming dalawa kasi parang ako guys, kung ako lang na-miss ko talaga yung movement sa tiyan ko nung si Paris na sa tiyan ko pa. And ngayon, it's our, baby number 2. Yung ating pangalawa na yung nag-move sa tiyan ni Mami. And alam nyo, sobrang wiggly talaga. Like, very, very movable yung ating baby girl, guys. Oh? Kasi every time talaga sinisipa niya talaga ako. And, it makes me very happy kasi it means that she's healthy inside and she's happy inside. It's better than not moving. We have to eat now. Okay, we are waiting for our order. Oh, we're number 9. When Tito calls number 9, that's us, okay? Okay? And very tired na rin to siya, guys, but she's been a really good girl for Mama. Oh.
Toy.
You'll see what Mama ordered for you. You will love it. Okay? I've got like a potato tornado. I think you're gonna like that one. Your tummy.
My tickle.
Tickle your tummy. Tickle. Ang ganda ng lighting nila dito ngayon guys. Oh, kasi nasa food court kami. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang setup dito. Now, did you feel baby sister?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a big one. Big.
Yeah. You're a big ate and you're a big ate Sky and then baby sister is still small?
This is small and bigger.
You're bigger.
Yes, I'm
Because you're the ate, that's why. That's why.
That's why I'm angry.
Yeah, you're ate. You say, I'm Ate Paris. Okay. What are you then? Who are you? Ate Sky. Okay. Alright then, if you say so. Did you like your dinner, Paris? What did you eat? That way. Go straight there. Punta kami ng TK Maxx. What did you eat? Elsa's food. Come. Punta kami ng TK Maxx. Tingin-tingin. Tingin-tingin lang. What is it, nak? This way, nak. This way. Hindi naman magaganda yung mga bag nila dito, guys. Tingnan nyo.
All my makeup. All my makeup.
What is it, nak?
All my makeup.
A what? Which one? Which one is it? Paris.
Is that too big, Mommy?
Is it too big, too small?
Too big.
You reckon? Babe? I think that fits you well now. What do you think?
Look at this.
Do you like that one?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we buy toys now?
Hang on, we'll have a look here first.
The nail colors.
Oh, nail colors. Nail polish.
Yes, I get that car.
Huh? That's very nice. They've got lots of toys to choose from.
Why are you turkey?
They got Play-Doh.
Hey, it's Olaf.
Oh, Olaf.
So just a ride every year, right?
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. And kakauwi lang namin, literally. Kapapasok lang namin guys ng ating baby girl. Ayan. Gusto na agad maglaro ng kanya. What is this na?
Nail polish.
Nail polish. Ayan. Ito yung pinabili niya sa shop. Wow! You happy?
Yes, get this too,
Yan. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo.
Mommy, this.
Ay, meron pa siyang mga ganito guys. Oh.
Mine, I want to do it by myself.
You wanna do it by yourself?
Yes, only me will.
Of course.
Where's your shoes?
Hindi ko na siya daddy yung shoes. Oh. Daddy, makita niya guys. Bumili kami ng sapatos niya. Binilhan ko siya kasi nag-cutan talaga ako guys. Ano pa ito sa nuro? Ayan. Shoe daddy nak. Your shoes.
Already.
Have a look. Already?
Yes, already.
So nice.
So nice. Shoes. I like this nak. Oh. Wow! Ito guys, yung shoes. Do you like this one, Daddy? Yeah. So, ayan yung binili ko for baby Paris. Oh my God,
That
so
sounds mine.
cute. Huh?
Not that it sounds mine.
Let me see.
Like Air Force Ones.
Yeah. Di ba ang ganda guys? Sobrang ganda talaga. Kaya binili ko na. This one is only, $40. That's not bad for Mike. Yeah?
Air Force One.
Yeah, and that's in size 6 for kids. It's been a really good girl for Bobby. When she not. May naiwan pa tayong guys, chicken. Daddy.
For Alex.
And
I already ordered Uber Eats. You should have told me, Mama. Because I said I'm hungry and you said get something to eat then.
eat because like he's messaging me, he's hungry, and I said eat. What can I do? And then I bought this one, guys, kasi nga diba pupunta kami ng Brisbane next week and very summer doon, so this would look perfect in Paris. Then, size 3. It's not too big. Tingnan nyo. Bunny yung kanyang print. It's all pink. And from TK Maxx, got this for $16.95.
No, Mommy. Show Daddy finger.
Oh, show Daddy my finger. Oh, Daddy, here's my finger. Then.
Oh, pink.
My nails.
That looks like sky.
Yeah. Paris chose the color, didn't you, honey? You said pink, yeah? Yes?
What do you
Kahit nung nasa shop ko guys, sinasabi niya sa, sinasabi niya sa akin na, Mami,
Mama, okay.
show tita your nails, even at the shop. Sikat.
Naging, Mom?
Oh, not you.
Did they like you at the shop?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, they
No.
They did. A few people were like, you know what I mean? Like, she's so cute. How old is she? She's so gorgeous. May pa si Paris, guys. Kahit saan kami pumunta, ganyan talaga siya. Inaano talaga siya. Ang tawag, kanang dayuan ba? Na? You beautiful girl. They said na.
I gotta pull the hair play for nail polish, Mommy.
Yeah. And then I got this one dry shampoo. Ano lang to siya? $7.99. And the last one from TK Maxx is sobrang mahilig talaga ako sa scented candle, guys. This is Sand and Fog.
Don't wipe it on your clothes,
Ocean and Sea Salt. Oh, so good. It smells so good.
Tell her not to put it on your clothes.
Don't put on your clothes, anak, ha? I think that's washable, Daddy. That's meant to be for kids, you know what I mean? Wow! So good. You like Mommy. Tingnan nyo ang ating tummy, guys. Oh. Sobrang laki. Oh my Lord. Wow! You're so good! May show me the head. Halang galing-galing niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. That is so good! Siya lang yung gumawa, guys. Oh, sorry, anak. Tingnan nyo. Siya lang yung gumawa. Galing-galing.
Try it.
Wala. Dry it first, nak. Dry first. See? Because it will transfer on your skin. Wow! You're so good, anak. Oy. Very smart man ang baby girl.
Tell her to dry it.
Dry, anak. Blow, anak. Blow.
Blow the nails.
Blow the nails. That's right. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. So I mentioned to them before, Daddy, that the first time...
Can I make the clothes this?
Okay, I will. The first time you felt baby girl number 2. How did you feel that morning?
You mean when I felt her kicking?
Yeah, for the first time.
Yeah, I was crying. I was.
You weren't crying, Bob. You probably like, you know, emotional but not crying.
I was crying. I took a moment for myself outside and went and cried.
Shut up, Bob.
I did.
Don't exaggerate.
I did.
Showbiz like ka.
I did.
Tell me your real feelings, Bob.
That's my real feelings, Bob. I was very emotional. Look. I like it when you do pink and pink, not purple and pink.
Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oo. Siya lang yung gumagawa. I look like she can do both, Bob. Left and right. That's awesome, honey. Ayan. But yeah, guys, sobrang laki na talaga ng tummy natin. Like, hindi na talaga mapipigilan yung palaki ng ating baby girl.
Which hand is that?
Huh?
That's her left or right?
Left and right.
Ma, you can do it.
Yeah, so she's right-handed.
Oh, careful na.
She's definitely right-handed because you can tell like how good she did the.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yes.
Do you want me to finish it?
Yes.
Yes, please?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
I will do this and that.
Okay.
This show's in Thailand.
Baby. Wow! You happy? I'm gonna close this one now, okay? Close, close, close. Show mommy what you've done? Oh my god, Paris just make me laugh. Show me the other hand. Show me the other hand, be the finished one. Siya lang yung gumagawa, guys. Here's your food, Bobby. Wow, so good. Show me this first, babe.
I have been looking for you all night.
Iyan na natin yung vlog dito, guys, because it is getting late. It's now 9:30 ng gabi. Daddy Mike ay kumakain ng kanyang dinner. Nag-Uber Eats pala siya. But yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed bonding with baby Paris, guys. Yung parang kami lang talaga dalawa. May tatlo na pala kami nasa tiyan ko. We'll do a quick shout out before we end our vlog, as always. Shout out to Sally Saminiano, Marlene Di Malanta, Emerald Fields and Moonbeams, Teresa RL, Paulina Kinis, Aroma Tea, Jing the Asses. Take shoes off?
That's the kind of
Oh, whoa!
She's about to kind of walls.
Don't paint the walls na.
Only your
Pagpagpita. Okay? Shout out to LV Quesada, Rosemary Verzon, Digna Villavicencio, G. Alcera, Veronica Escoto, Elsa Mapago, Yet Balino, Novero Yoli, Kemi Hinayon's Vlog, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Chari Eurasial, and shout out to Salazar family in Silay Negros Occidental. Shout out to Alena Risolis, Eva Novio, Riz Tamayo, Joanne Ambe, and Jocelyn Pason. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
what you do it here, nak? Tanawa sa siya, nagpintal-pintal. Get properly.
Bye.
Close.